Why do even well-planned projects fail? It often comes down to one thing: a poorly defined project lifecycle. In this video, you'll learn how project life cycles and phases create structure, clarity, and control from start to finish. A project life cycle is the structured journey your project takes, from initiation to closure, organizing all work into manageable stages. Without a defined life cycle, projects drift. With it, teams gain clarity, direction, and control over outcomes. Every life cycle has 3 core attributes: the phases involved, their sequencing, and the specific attributes of each stage. Think of phases as chapters in a book. Each has a specific purpose and must reach a milestone before moving forward. Phase 1 is initiation. This is where we define the project's purpose and obtain formal authorization to begin. We identify stakeholders and establish high-level goals. It's about answering the question, why are we doing this? Next is Phase 2, planning. Here we build the roadmap that will guide the entire team toward the objective. This includes defining the scope, schedule, and resources. In Anglo-Indian projects, a solid WBS is the foundation of success. Phase 3 is execution. This is the doing phase, where the actual work happens and the project deliverables are produced. Whether it's Android development or infrastructure setup, this is where the strategy turns into reality. Running parallel to execution is Phase 4, monitoring and control. We track progress to ensure we stay on path. We measure performance against the plan, managing risks, quality, and any changes that may arise. Finally, Phase 5, closing. This isn't just finishing the work. It's about formal acceptance and learning. We archive records, release resources, and document lessons learned to improve future Anglo-Indian projects. The sequencing of these phases is critical. Some are linear, while others may overlap depending on the project lifecycle type. We'll dive deeper into predictive and adaptive life cycles in Part 2 of this series. For now, focus on the flow. Remember, a well-managed life cycle ensures strategic alignment and governance throughout the project. From initiation to closing, each phase contributes to the overall success and value delivered by the project. Understanding these fundamentals is your first step toward project excellence. Visit androindian.com for more deep dives. Stay tuned for Part 2, where we'll explore different life cycle models in detail. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you in the next one. Stay curious.